Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to short a crypto on a Kraken Pro. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Kraken app, and you can come here under spots and margins and look for the asset or crypto you want to go ahead and short, or you can click on this icon to transact and then just select the crypto you want to do that for. Then what I want you to do, you can click here on buy or sell. So let's click on sell because we're shorting, and then choose sell right here, and make sure you go ahead and select a limit spot. Okay, you can go ahead and enter the amount right here, either in Bitcoin or in US dollars. Let's say $15, right? And you can choose your take profit or stop loss, right? So you can either do a price, you can set a price, or you can do a percentage. So let's do -2 and then 10%. Okay, so as you can see, this is our short, and when you want to go ahead and do it, you just click here on sell. Okay, really that easy. Found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.